All right, so I wanted to give you an overview of how to navigate through Canvas. If you are not familiar with it, if you've never done a Canvas course before, it's pretty simple. So once you're logged in to the Canvas course, you should be able to see the first module called Getting Started. And like I said earlier, you will need to complete all of the tasks in this module in order to be able to have access to the next module and move forward. So you'll see the overview that you've looked at. So once you go into the module, you can click on any section. So let's say I can just click Overview, which is all the information that you just read through. So to get to the next step in the module, you'll need to click Next down here at the bottom right of the screen. And this will show you the technology requirements. This is just the basics that you'll need to be able to access Canvas. You can also access Canvas from your phone. So to learn how to use Canvas on your mobile device, you can click that link and watch a video. The browsers that you can use are listed. This course is best done on a computer. If you are using a phone or a tablet to complete your distance learning course, just message me and we can figure out another option for you. It's definitely still possible. It's just going to look a little bit differently. So if you are only on a phone or a tablet, you can stop now and just message me and let me know so that we can figure something else out. Then there's a video on how to use Canvas. So if you've never used Canvas before, make sure to watch that video. To be able to complete this course, you will need to be able to complete assignments on Canvas as well as Aztec. So there will be another video explaining how to do things on Aztec. Once you are finished with that section, to go to the next task, you'll just click Next right down here. This will be a link to the syllabus. Click this link to view the syllabus. You don't have to read the whole thing, but look for important points, and to guide you to some more important points, I have a syllabus quiz for you to complete. So all of the answers to the syllabus quiz will be found in the syllabus. So it's a little bit of a syllabus scavenger hunt, but it will highlight the more important things from the syllabus so that you don't have to actually read word for word the whole thing. Please don't do that. Click Next again and it will take you to the quiz. So you'll just click this blue Take the Quiz to take that syllabus quiz. Again, look in the syllabus for those answers. Click Next again and you will come to the Introduce Yourself. This is our first discussion. So I want this to be a place where you feel like you have other people who are doing the same thing that you're doing something. Having someone who knows what you're going through can be helpful sometimes. So in order to complete this video discussion, we'll be using Flipgrid. It's a very simple program you can use to create short videos. So I recommend writing down your answers to these questions, and then you can video yourself answering the questions. And you just click this link to go to Flipgrid, and then there will be instructions for you there. Click Next again. And this is where you will submit your score for your first RLA practice test that you'll take in Aztec. So we have some instructions here. Each module will give the objective for that module. And then just a reminder about the 4 hours. This is where you can watch a video on how to access that practice test. This is a free practice test through Aztec. Normally the practice tests through GED are $6. So this is something we have access to through our program. So to complete this assignment, you'll complete it on here. So where did it go? Submit assignment. So to submit assignment, you click there and then you'll enter your score here. So say I got a 75, then I would put that there and type submit assignment. Yay, confetti. Awesome. All right, so once you've done that, click to the next and it goes, well, you won't have, once you submit your score and I see it, I will give you access to the next module. But that is how to get started navigating through the first module. If you have any questions about navigating through the course, please message me on Remind and I can help you out. Good luck!